Huh? I'm Anska. Are you here to help? I've finally located Voken's crypt. The scroll I'm looking for just has to be here. Maybe you could help find it. I just know it's in here. Some old priest buried here long ago. I've been searching for his tomb for a few years now. If Vokun is as powerful as I think, I may need a little help, dealing with him. You can have anything, except the scroll, of course. Great. With the two of us, this should be easy. What was that? Huh? Be careful. This looks like some sort of lever puzzle. We'll have to figure out the correct order to flip them. Watch it! wall carvings are ancient. You must be looking close. That's Oakland, the guardian of the scroll. It must be... Yeah? I cannot thank you enough for all of the help. And here's a little something for helping me out.
You there. What do you know about this? If you happen to recollect anything about the incident, you be sure to report to the captain of the guard. I've got my eye on you.
Fresh food. No wood rot on the furniture. One's been here, recently. But the people I asked say no one enters or leaves. Wait, did you hear that? I think it came this way. That's it. It's inside the house. Come on, we're getting to the bottom of this. come out. We know you're here. There's another door. See if you can get it open. Stendar's mercy. This isn't an ordinary Daedra. We have to get help.
Weak. He's weak. You're strong. Crush him.
You first. Come on. Let's go.
Yes, your reward is waiting for you, mortal. Further down. Yes, further into the bowels. Fool! Did you think Molag Bal, the Lord of Domination, would so easily reward you? What do you see from that little cage? Speak. Yes, it's an altar. Men would come and sacrifice the wretched in my name. The weak would be punished by the strong. But a Daedric lord has his enemies, and my rival Boethia had her priest desecrate the altar until you came. Revenge? No, I want submission. I want the priest who did this to bend his knee and give me his soul. He comes by to perform Boethia's insulting rites at my altar, but he's been missing, captured and bound, left to rot. Save him. Let him perform his rite one more time. And when he does, we will be waiting for him.
Still here. I am sworn to carry your burdens. find you. How can I serve you, my Thane? Let's get going then.
Over here! Ha! I think you're bleeding! I'll kill you!
I've never seen anything quite like.
Never should have come here. Over here!
You there? Are you here to kill me? Slay the mighty Lowgrove, while he sits tied and helpless. Rescue? No one knew where I was when I was taken. Who sent you? The Dark Mistress? She sent you? Oh, wait. Mulekbal's altar. Of course. I have to get to Markarth at once. Cut me loose. Oh, freedom. Now get out of my way. I have a task to attend to. Molag Bal. You think you can best Boethiah's faithful? I have won this contest before.
Ah, but I have my own champion this time, Logrolf.
What? You?
Mortal, I give you my mace in all its rusted spitefulness. Crush the spirit from Logrolf's bones. Make him bend to me.
I won't bend. Never should have come here. Call that
Mortals in your
swing?
frail, limp, pathetic bodies. Try it again.
Ow.
Call that a swing? I won't surrender. I won't surrender.
Are you prepared
No
to
more.
die?
No more. I submit, Molag Bal. I submit.
You bend to me.
Yes.
You pledge your soul to me.
Yes.
You forsake the weak and pitiful Boethia.
Yes.
You're mine now, Logrolf. Kill him.
No more. No more. No. Not again. No. Not again.
The mace of Molag Bal. I give you its true power, mortal. When your enemies lie broken and bloody before you, know that I will be watching. Now, I have a soul in oblivion that needs claiming. Take care of the house while I'm gone.